Proteins are the tiny machines that keep our body alive. They build tissues, fight infections, and control almost every function inside us. But did you know, proteins don't work alone? They get special chemical tags like tiny switches after they're made. These are called post-translational modifications, or PTMs. They decide how a protein behaves, where it goes, and how long it lasts. But here's the problem. If PTMs go wrong, proteins can misfire, and that can lead to diseases like cancer, heart failure, or even Alzheimer's. The big question is, how do mutations in our DNA disrupt these modifications and trigger disease? Researchers at Baylor College of Medicine have built a powerful AI tool called DeepMVP to solve this mystery. They trained it with a massive database of nearly 400,000 protein modification sites, like a map of the hidden language of proteins. And the results are amazing. DeepMVP can predict with high accuracy how a single mutation changes a protein's modifications and whether it makes the protein overactive or shuts it down. This breakthrough means scientists can now uncover why certain mutations cause disease and even discover new drug targets for cancer, heart conditions, and neurological disorders. The tool is free for researchers worldwide, making it a game changer for medicine. With the help of AI, we're finally beginning to read the secret codes of life, and that brings us one step closer to better treatments and healthier futures.